Today I'm going to show you how to plot a position on a chart. There are two ways of doing this. One is where you've got a latitude and longitude and you plot it, or the other is where you have a bearing and distance. So I'm going to try the first one here. So I have my waypoint here, waypoint number 1, which is 45 degrees, 39.2 minutes north, 005 degrees, 49.6 west. So I'm going to plot the latitude first. Let's have a look at that. So I look further up the chart and I can see that I've got it's 46 degrees 00 minutes. So if I go down towards the equator, that brings me down to 45 degrees 50, 45.45 and 45.40. So I know that this section of the chart, it's 45 something. So I look at my latitude scale, I just write this here to remind myself, 45 degrees, 40 minutes. So I'm looking for 45 degrees, 39.2. So that's 45 degrees, 39.2. So that's 40, that's 39. So 39.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. So I put a tick here. And then I take my plotter and just line it up to there. And then I move my plotter around till the grid lines on the base part of the plotter are parallel with the underlying chart, so that it's not like that. So just move it around. So I'm drawing a nice east-west line. Now I look at my longitude. And this time I'm looking for 00549.6. So you can see here, that's 00540. Now remember, we're west of Greenwich, so it goes this way. It's not like an ordnance survey map. So that's 40, 41, up to 45, and I'm looking for 49, so 46, 47, 48, 49, decimal 2, decimal 4, decimal 6. Just put a little tick there. Because I'm using a 2B pencil, it doesn't matter about marking the chart because I can clean it later. And again, I use my Portland plotter and I just check that my lines are lined up parallel to the underlying chart. That takes a bit of practice and eventually you'll be able to do it quickly. So that's my waypoint there. So just draw a box around it because it's a waypoint. If that was a fix, I would use a symbol, just a dot with a circle, but it's a waypoint, so it's a box with a cross. So just clean the chart there, clean the line that I used to form it, clean all my little notes there. So all I've got left now is the waypoint, and I mark that as waypoint number 1. And there you go. Now I've shown you how to plot a position on a chart using latitude and longitude. You can also do it on bearing and distance, which we showed you in another video. It's pretty easy to do on a kitchen table like I'm talking to you from here, but the reality is we often have to plot that in a hurry on a boat, such as a chart table on a moving yacht, perhaps heeling at an angle of 30 degrees, or on a powerboat that's bucking around in the waves. So it's like all skills, use it or lose it. Practice, and then practice it doing it quickly and accurately so that when you transfer that skill to a boat, you can do it with a little bit of reliability, comfort and safety. Thank you very much.